Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be showing you how to make delicious chicken skewers using just my air fryer. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have some boneless chicken breast. I've cleaned it properly. If you don't know how to clean your chicken, please check out how to clean your chicken on my YouTube channel. So you can see my sticks or my skewers are soaked in water. You want to make sure that you soak them for 30 to 60 minutes to ensure that they don't get charred up or burned during the cooking process. I'm going to be using some fresh and yummy bell peppers. I have some nicely chopped onions as well. I have my fresh and delicious bell peppers. I have some chopped zucchini, some nicely chopped carrots. So you want to ensure that you chop your veggies in larger chunks because these are going to be going on your skewers. So you want to try to get proportionate sizes for all your veggies so they are going to blend and look beautiful together when you stack everything up. So I'm just going to go right in and I'm going to start stacking up my veggies and my chicken breast onto my skewers. So when I'm making skewers, be it chicken or beef, I like to stack everything on my skewers. Then I go ahead to base my marinade on my veggies and my beef on my skewers. So this is what I'm going to do. Some people might want to marinate their chicken or their beef before stacking on the skewers. I don't do that. I love to just stack everything up and then marinate later. You want to keep it not so tied up. You want to leave a little bit of space and make it breathable because remember, I'm marinating after stacking up on the skewers, so I don't want it so tight. I want to leave a little bit of space so my marinade can properly sink and soak up my veggies and my chicken breast. So once I'm done stacking up, you can see how nice and colorful everything looks. You just want to play around this. There's no right or wrong way doing this. You just want to mix up the veggies and just make it colorful and nice. So this is my marinade. I'm going to list all the ingredients down in the description box. Once I'm satisfied with how my marinade tastes, I'm going to go ahead with my marinade brush and I'm just going to start basting on my skewers. So let's get started. I like to flip my skewer while I'm basting on it with the marinade. This way, I just ensure that the marinade gets all around the skewers and everything soaks right through that delicious chicken and veggies. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this on all my skewers. So if it's your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Yummy Mommy is so happy to have you here. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and get yummy and delicious content every time. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button as well. Please hit the notification button as well so that you get notified each time I post a yummy recipe. Don't forget to like and don't forget to share. So my skewers are looking nice and delicious already. I cannot wait to taste this yummy veggies and chicken breast. So once I'm done basting my skewers, you can see how nice everything is looking. I just like to go once more over it. You can't get enough of that marinade on your skewers. Once I've gone over my skewers, I'm going to line my air fryer basket with some parchment paper and then I'm going to stack my skewers on the parchment paper. So if you have a rack, you can totally use it and stack on top and below your rack. But I'm just stacking my skewers in 2 layers, and if you're doing it this way, be sure to leave enough space between your skewers so that hot air can properly circulate between and around the skewers and make sure that it gets properly cooked. So I preheated my air fryer prior to putting my skewers in at 200 degrees Celsius for about 3 minutes or so. So once I get the skewers inside, they're just going to start grilling right away. I'm going to set it for about 25 minutes and I'm just going to let them cook away beautifully. So 10 minutes later, I check on my skewers and they are half done. They look so yummy and delicious already. So I'm just going to flip these skewers around. I'm transferring the bottom layer to the top and the top layer to the bottom, and I'm just flipping them over. Once I'm done, I'm basting them again with some extra marinade and everything looks nice and yummy. So this is going back into my air fryer for another 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes or so, I check on my skewers and they look delicious. They smell amazing. They are ready to go. So I'm just going to plate this right now. And guys, this tastes so yummy. This is a really easy and straightforward recipe. You can see how easy I did this using my air fryer. I cannot wait to taste this. The smell so delicious. My veggies have just the right amount of char on them. You can see how easy and convenient this grill was using my air fryer. No smoke at all, little or no grease. I've never had to grill so easily. So my sister is going to taste this. She volunteered to go in and taste this. And guys, I'm salivating already. It looks so yummy. Of course, I served this with some side pepper sauce because we always love it so spicy. And guys, it tastes so yummy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to share. Bye guys.